How long does Philips TV last? Philips TVs are built with high-quality LED and OLED technology, allowing them to last 5 to 10 years with regular use. With proper maintenance and optimal settings, they can last even longer, providing a reliable and high-performance viewing experience. 1. Average lifespan of Philips TVs. A Philips LED or OLED TV typically lasts 50,000 to 100,000 hours, which equals 5 to 10 years of daily usage. The actual lifespan depends on usage habits, such as screen brightness levels and power management. Second, display technology and performance. Philips TVs use LED, OLED, and Ambilight technology to enhance viewing quality. LED models generally last longer than OLED because they are not affected by burn-in. OLED TVs provide superior contrast and colors, but may degrade faster if static images are displayed for long periods. 3. Factors that affect TV longevity. The lifespan of a Philips TV depends on brightness settings, ventilation, and power fluctuations. Using maximum brightness settings, poor airflow, and frequent power surges can reduce its longevity. Fourth, common issues over time. Some common issues in Philips TVs include backlight dimming, power supply malfunctions, and screen burn-in. For OLED models, preventative measures such as using a surge protector and keeping the TV in a well-ventilated area can help extend its life. 5. Warranty and manufacturer support. Philips offers a 1 to 2 year standard warranty, covering manufacturing defects and hardware failures. Extended warranties and authorized service centers provide additional support for long-term reliability. 6. Tips to extend the lifespan of a Philips TV. Reduce brightness settings to minimize backlight wear. Turn off the TV when not in use to avoid unnecessary stress on components. Ensure proper ventilation to prevent overheating. Use a surge protector to shield against power fluctuations. Update firmware regularly for improved performance and bug fixes. A Philips TV can last 5 to 10 years or more with careful usage and regular maintenance. By optimizing settings, ensuring good ventilation, and protecting against power surges, users can maximize their TV's lifespan and enjoy high-quality entertainment for years to come.